How do bees make honey? Nature's sweetest secret. What's sweet, sticky, and made by tiny flying magicians? That's right, honey! Have you ever wondered how bees transform simple nectar into golden goodness? Let's dive into nature's sweetest secret. You'll never look at a jar of honey the same way. It all starts when bees visit flowers, collecting nectar with their straw-like tongues. These hardworking insects aren't just gathering lunch, they're gathering magic. The nectar gets stored in a special honey stomach as they fly back to the hive. Talk about multitasking. Inside the hive, bees pass the nectar mouth to mouth, gross or genius, while adding enzymes that kickstart honey making. Next up, they fan their wings like pros to thicken the mix. It's teamwork and chemistry rolled into one. Once the nectar turns into gooey honey, the bees seal it in wax caps for safekeeping. This liquid gold is their food for colder months, and ours to drizzle on pancakes and toast. Isn't it amazing that these little creatures make something so delicious and useful? Mind blown by these bee-tiful facts? Now's the perfect time to share this enchanting process with your kids. Celebrate the wonders of bees, and maybe treat yourself to a spoonful of honey.